Okay, so first year, new people, new rules, new places, new things. The official tips are explore and connect, make new friends, and seek support for study. But what exactly does that mean?
Well, I thought that my time at uni was going to be a breeze. I thought to myself, get in, get out, study, study, study. And I walked into my first class with this mindset, and then I almost failed my first 2 assignments. And that was kind of a big deal to me because I'd always done pretty well at school. So coming and failing 2 assignments straight off the bat I just felt stupid, and I felt alone, and I felt like I didn't belong at uni. So I stopped trying to talk to people, and I stopped trying to go to classes and fit in, and that really just made everything so much worse. So one day I plucked up the courage to talk to a girl in my class, and that was really the turning point for me because I realised that I wasn't the only one struggling. Especially in first year, there are so many people going through the exact same changes as you, and it's totally okay that things aren't going 100%. So when I met her, I met friends through her, and now 4 years later, these people are still my closest friends. So it really just helped all of us to do better, just to make friends and have people there for you when times are tough. So I guess my message for first year would be, don't let your fear hold you back. It's perfectly okay not to be perfect. It's enough that you just give something a go, because uni is really the best place to let yourself and your friends make mistakes and experiment with things.
What about you, Tyson?
Well, with me, I had 2 first years. So my first year was a hot mess. It's terrible. Terrible time. I did everything wrong, and it felt like a bit of a fight or flight moment. Every time I would come onto campus, I would have to choose when I go into a class, like, do I sit at a table with people there already? When I would walk through the Great Court, do I sign up for things that are available? And every time I decided no, I just wouldn't do it. So I was like running away from everything that was right here in front of me. And unsurprisingly, I dropped out. I dropped out at the end of my first year. And then I took a break for about 9 years. And my first year was much, much better. So basically I did the opposite of everything I did the first time I was here. I signed up for a student-staff partnership. I would just socialise in classes. And it really made a huge difference to how connected I felt to UQ and sort of how much I enjoyed studying and the experience of coming to university overall. So I guess my advice is everything we're telling you to do in these videos is really, sometimes it sounds a little basic, but it really works. So try new things, make new friends, and find a way to connect to the campus, and you'll enjoy your time a lot more.
If you guys want to know how our second and third years went, then you can check out the videos on the middle years.